Magbabala ng press statement. O, atas bibigyan kayong kopya. Sandali lang. Kompleto na kayo? O, sino pa?
I'd like to read my press statement. For several months, I have pursued my bid for the presidency. I declared my intention to serve our country through the presidency and make a difference in the lives of our people, particularly our workers and peasants who deserve greater attention from our government. But much as I wanted to serve and get the job done, the realities of presidential electoral contest have forced me to reassess my bid. I have realized that I cannot wage a decent presidential campaign without sufficient funds. Ugly as it may sound, lack of funds can make a viable presidential run. To spare my friends, supporters, and my family from the agony and burden of joining a fight which we cannot win. We fight despite our meager resources. And I thank you for your unwavering support and fidelity to our cause. But as a retired general, I cannot allow anyone to become a sacrificial lamb in a battle where the certainty of victory has become nil. To our party and our advocacy of uplifting the quality of life of our workers and peasants, we will continue to strengthen the partido ng manggagawa at magsasaka. While I end my service in government today, I will continue my service to the Filipino people. Maraming salamat.
Okay na. Thank you. Salamat.